Corry Manufacturing Company, or CMC, creates components for the aerospace and gas turbine industry. Since 1945, Corry Manufacturing Company has been developing processes in the manufacturing of aircraft and gas turbine components. Their specialties for over 70 years are assemblies that supply the air, water, fuel, and oil to the engine.
And what are the benefits of your job?
My job is I'm busy all day long. Some days it gets to be lunchtime and I don't know that it's lunchtime. It's gone so fast. So I would say it's just very busy, and I help everyone and we help each other. It's a good team effort.
What brought you to your job?
Well, I just needed a job and was lucky enough that Corry Manufacturing hired me, and I'm here today, 5 years later.
And what are you doing to assure safety for people flying in airplanes?
For people flying in airplanes?
Yes.
Our duty here is to make sure that every part is made exactly to the specification. So we have numerous people here that's what they do. They monitor and measure and test parts before they leave here.
All right, well, thank you, Mike.
You're welcome.
It's supposed to be to seal the air between the stages in the engine, the jet engine.
And you can see it's a sheet metal part with a lot of detail, and it has very close tolerance.
Have a safe
flight. Bye.